So we just got back picking up the 351 Windsor. This is how it is. This is how it came. It has all the accessories actually. It has the intake, throttle body, fuel injectors and rails, flex plate, headers, spark plug wires. I mean, they say complete engine, and here it is. Picked it up this morning, all the way down to the return as well as the feed lines. But more likely we're gonna take this motor apart and go through it. All right, guys. So it's been a minute since I've done a video for YouTube, but we about to build us a 351 Windsor. Picked this up for a pretty good deal. Honestly, I think I picked it up for a steal. The only issue was I had to wait 6 weeks for it, and it's a 92. So it's a hydraulic 351 Windsor. It's a hydraulic non-roller motor. But honestly, I don't care, because for the price I picked it up for, they took it out the truck and it came with all this stuff, distributor, throttle body, all this crap. Seems like a new water pump. I'm gonna run with it. About to take it apart. I might, so it's a hydraulic, I might just find me a mid to low 500 lift cam with a 112, 114 lobe separation. Slide that in, change the lifters, stay with hydraulic, and it all depends. When I open it up, it's either I'm gonna stay with hydraulic or I'm gonna retrofit it and go solid roller. But this is what it looks like from the junkyard. Pretty clean. Came with the FLEXPLATE, so pretty much it's ready to run, they said. But I'm gonna take it apart, take a look at the bottom, take a look at the bottom end, look at the cylinder walls, check out the bearings, and probably gap the rings, because we about to turbo this thing. All right, later. All right, we're slowly taking this thing apart. About to take the heads off, but this is 92, so that's why it's a hydraulic. All right, so we got all the lifters out. What I want to do before I do anything else is put the motor on top dead center. So the firing order of a 351 Windsor is 137-26548. So 1, top dead center, so you'd want the piston on 1 on the top, so you want that at the deck. So you would spin the crank till number 1 cylinder is all the way to the top. And then you could also verify that by looking at the harmonic balancer, and it should be right at 0. Before I spin it, I actually want to re-wipe the cylinders because I see some crud still. So get that out. Just get all the excess crud and build up we are trying to get rid of here. But so we're gonna spin this. So we're looking for 1. Oh, that's 1. Top dead center, pistons all the way up to the top. You adjust the lifters. That's how you set the valve lash. So you go 1, next quarter turn would be 3. Next quarter turn will be 7. Then next quarter turn, 137, 2, be right here. Next quarter turn, 6, 6. We're at 6. Six. 137, 2, 6, 5. 5. 5. Right there. We're going for 4. 2, 6, 5. 4. 4. We're doing 8. 8. So 8 right there. And it goes all over again to 1. All right, so we're in the process of removing the flywheel, well, the flex plate. Just using an open wrench over here. All right, so what we're gonna do next, pull the pulley out, motor pump. I gotta get the harmonic balancer puller, probably just gonna rent that. And after harmonic balancer, timing cover, oil pan timing cover. Let's take the pulley out. This is the bottom of the pan. I mean, doesn't look too bad. Not sure what that is. I don't see any metallic. It seems pretty clean. Seems pretty clean for a junkyard motor. Don't look too bad. All right, that's gonna actually wrap it up for now because I gotta get something done. Kids are home from school already. So this is the start of this build. So this is part one of this teardown. I gotta pull out the harmonic balancer, timing cover, the oil pan's already off, the dipstick is already off, pull out the distributor, and then take apart the connecting rods, pull out the pistons and the mains, and then we'll go from there. But I need to clean up and put everything away. And that'll be it for this video. I'll hit you guys up. I'm gonna try to be more persistent with the videos. The reason why I actually bought this this motor, this project, was to kind of share the build with you guys and go along with that journey, trying to go into eights, in the quarter, deep in the fives, in the eighth, on a budget with you guys, so you guys could you know, take a ride with me. And you know, there's always other ways to skin a cat. It's not always, you know, you don't always have to go put a Chevy or, you know, go LS, big block, small block. You could stick with the Ford Windsor. Try to go cheap. I'm gonna try to go cheap with this build. Try to go deep in the fives with this one. Anyways, I'll hit you guys up. We're gonna post this, and then we're gonna try to do another video of the complete teardown, clean it up a little, gap the rings and then put it together, clean it up, put it together, and then we'll put 1/2 inch stud, ARPs. I don't know, I actually might go Speedmaster 1/2 inch studs on this. Go cheap on the head studs, and then put the top end on Victor Juniors, Victor Junior heads, Victor Junior intake, and then slide in a nice cam. I was actually last night I was looking at cams and I saw a pretty good one for pretty cheap. So once I lock that in, I'll share the idea with you guys. I'll share the specs with you guys. But until next time, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we end this together. All right, later. Peace.